a dead-end country road. I stay far away from the world these days and all the rich man's games, and I leave my future up to the man that brings the rain. Yeah, I just leave it up to, I'll leave my future up to, I'm gonna leave it up to the man that brings the rain. Now some folks say we're living in the last days of time, where the devil walks down every street, blue and red divides. The root of all evil is the only game to play. They stuff their silver pockets and they give all the lives away. Well, I'm gonna leave it up, leave my future up. I'm gonna leave it up to the man that brings the rain. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it up to, leave my future up to, I'm gonna leave it up to the man that brings the rain. Falls down the streets and ties. They slowly take a freedom and our Constitution dies. Well, we can't trust the rich man with the bed in which we lay. They steal your sheets and blankets, cover up their greedy shame. Well, I'm gonna leave it up to, leave my future up to, I'm gonna leave it up to man that brings the rain. Well, I'm gonna leave it up. I think I leave it up to. I'm gonna